Good afternoon and welcome to Midcap Radar. I'm Sonal Bhutra and with me is Reema Tendulkar. Reema, good afternoon. Well, for the markets, we have seen some recovery from the lows of the day. So Nifty is up around 60 points from the lows, but still in the red with cuts of around 28 odd points. It's the Bank Nifty which is actually leading to this recovery in the Nifty pack, and some banks like Kotak Mahindra Bank, IndusInd Bank have recovered from the lows. But the actual outperformer in these markets is the Midcap Index. That one is sitting with healthy gains of around 200 odd points. Let's see which way things go, because yesterday, Reema, we did see a sharp recovery at the end of the trading day. We'll have to see whether that trend continues or not.
As of now, what we have on our markets is that the Nifty slipped about 150 points from the top of the trading session. The high in the Nifty was 17,442. So from that level, it's been a decline of close to about 150 points. But as Sonal said, in the last 30 minutes, there has been a recovery of close to about 50-60 points from the day's low. The mid-caps are doing well, though the advanced decline ratio is split right down the middle, 1:1 on the advanced decline ratio. So no skew towards the gainers despite a strong mid-cap index. But let's talk about the oil and gas space. We've seen a lot of volatility in the recent months. But what does the demand picture looks like? Nitin Khara, the chairman and chief managing director at Confidence Petroleum, now joins in to discuss the demand environment. Nitin, that is my first question. If you could talk about the demand prospects and the impact that we've seen on your business due to the recent volatility.
Yeah, good afternoon, Reema. Good afternoon, Sonal. Yes, it's a very volatile market nowadays, as everybody knows that a big war is going on there. So yes, it's a very big volatile market. And confidence is in both LPG and CNG. And it's a green and sustainable fuel, as everybody knows. So we are definitely facing some little bit constraint about the prices, volatility of this market. But still, after getting over by this third wave, company is on track now, what we want. And LPG is continue affordable fuel, as everybody knows about this. Company is doing good in auto LPG as well as in pack cylinder division also.
So, Mr. Khara, what Reema meant to ask is, yes, there is a lot of volatility. We did see some price hikes coming through as far as fuel prices are concerned. You said you are in the LPG segment. Yesterday, there was a price hike as far as LPG cylinders are concerned. Today, Gujarat Gas took a price hike in the CNG segment. Does the price hike actually impact demand in some way? And what are the volumes that you are aiming at in the fourth quarter? How has it been? And in the first half of FY23, what is the volume picture looking like?
Yes, Sonal, definitely, but I don't think any demand. See, LPG, everyone want to use LPG, whatever price it is. So, as far as demand is concerned, there is no any lesser volume, or you can say no any setback in the demand of the volume. So, but as prices are going up, the consumption definitely little bit, so slightly slow. People can use it. You can say slightly lower the demand of that. Otherwise, there is no any as far as demand is concerned. All the volumes, everything is more. Price is definitely going high due to this all volatility of the market.
Yes.
The company's order book is good.
Can you quantify it, the order book, sir?
As far as you are talking about Q4, or you are talking about 22-23?
22-23 and Q4, if you can give us that figure.
Q4, we are doing good, not that much good as just Omicron has finished, but still we have did as compared to our YOY, if we can compare it, we did a good numbers of unit.
Okay, so
and as far as 22-23 is concerned, PCD, auto LPG division, all we are targeting. If there is no any other fourth wave or anything, then definitely we will go for the double the numbers of the current financial year.
Okay, so you are targeting double-digit growth in all the segments if things remain as is. Means there are no disruptions. You'll be able to do a double-digit growth in FY23 is what you're saying.
Yes, Sonal, yes.
Okay.
See, we are increasing our stations also in auto LPG station. We are increasing that, and distribution network will further increase our demand volume. there are unparalleled opportunities in segment such as auto LPG, CNG business in every part of our verticals.
So, sir, that takes me to the CNG business now. The last time we spoke to you, you had mentioned that you are entering into a partnership with GAIL, where GAIL will provide you gas, and you will be setting up 100 CNG stations, which will generate sales of around 1,000 kg sales per station. Tell us what has been the revenue or the commission that you've received from them. And GAIL must have increased prices, right? So is that hurting margins, or is it lowering your return from this particular JV?
No, margins are often if prices are increased or decreased, whatsoever, we have an agreement like that. The plain constant margin will be there. There will be no any increase or decrease in our part of the margin. So there is no effect.
What is the revenue that you've made? What is the revenues that you've made from that? Because you said that particular JV will make revenues of around 2.5 crores per day. So what is your commission on that? What is the kind of revenue addition you've seen?
Yeah, it will be effect in 22-23 only, Sonal, because we have just completed our 4 stations and it will be commissioned by this March end. And another 20 stations are under pipeline, which will be commissioned in the first quarter. We can say in first quarter of this 22-23. So all the numbers will come in this 22-23 only.
Okay, so 20 stations are in the pipeline. What kind of investments you are making for these stations that you will be putting out, and what is an expected revenue? If you can give us a ballpark figure, what is the expectation?
Per station, we are investing almost 2.5 crore rupees to 3 crore rupees per station. It means if suppose we are going for 100 station, company is going to do 250 crores to 300 crore rupees investment. Okay.
And in that case, does your guidance stay? You had guided for around 1,700 crore revenues in FY22 and FY24 EBITDA around 400 crore rupees. Do you stick to that, or since you are taking much expansion, you will be able to cross that?
Yes, we will be stick to that, and we will definitely achieve that in 22-23.
What is the investment you're making for all these capex plans that you've announced? How will you fund it?
Internal accruals are very good, definitely good internal accruals going on, and plus we have taken some debt of 100 crore rupees, 50 crore in our CNG cylinder manufacturing and 50 crore in our retail station development.
Okay, just one follow-up.
Together, we are maintaining that.
2.5 crore rupees per station is what you will earn, or it will be shared with GAIL or maybe any other partner?
No. All capex we have to do only.
Okay.
GAIL will supply only the gas.
Okay. Last question before we let you go, Mr. Khara. Promoters have been raising stake in last couple of days. We've seen them buying more shares of the company. Will that trend continue? Because right now it's the promoter stake is at 58.95%. Plans to take it higher?
Yeah, definitely. We are looking for the same.
Okay, all right. Mr. Khara, thanks a lot for joining us and giving us all those details. So that's the word coming in from Confidence Petroleum. Yes, there's some volatility in demand, but not as much as we've seen for other companies. And they maintain their FY22 revenue guidance of around 1,700 crore rupees and FY24 EBITDA of 400 crore rupees. With that, we'll slip into a short break now. We'll get chatting with Aditya Agrawala for a technical check when we return.